What if I told you that your favorite comfort foods were silently destroying your health? These foods don't just add extra pounds, they're triggering serious diseases, disrupting your hormones, and draining your energy. The American Heart Association has identified processed junk foods as the most unhealthy foods worldwide. Let's break down the 8 worst offenders and what they're really doing to your body. Number 1. Sugary drinks. That innocent-looking soda? It contains up to 40 grams of sugar, your entire daily limit in one can. Each sip forces your liver and pancreas into overdrive, setting the stage for diabetes and depression. Simple swap. Replace with lemon water or herbal tea for better hydration and natural detoxification. Number 2. Refined carbohydrates. White bread and pasta might seem harmless, but they spike your blood sugar like fireworks, triggering insulin resistance and promoting dangerous belly fat. Simple swap. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or oats that provide steady energy and crush cravings. Number 3. Potato chips. That satisfying crunch comes with a terrifying secret. When potatoes are fried at high temperatures, they form acrylamide, a chemical linked to cancer. Plus, they're loaded with sodium that sends your blood pressure soaring. Simple swap. Try air-popped popcorn or raw veggies with hummus for that satisfying crunch without the health risks. Number 4. Margarine. Often marketed as heart healthy, margarine actually contains trans fats that inflame your body, raise bad cholesterol, and pave the way for heart disease. Simple swap. Use olive oil or small amounts of real butter instead. Number 5. Canned soups. Some containing nearly half your daily sodium limit in one serving. This silent killer raises your risk of hypertension and heart attacks. Simple swap. Make simple homemade soups with fresh ingredients and control the salt content. Number 6. Donuts. These sweet treats are a dangerous combination of refined carbs, sugar, and trans fats that wreak havoc on your heart and waistline simultaneously. Simple swap. Satisfy sweet cravings with fresh fruit or yogurt with a drizzle of honey. Number 7. Processed meats. Here's the shocking one. Hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats contain nitrates and preservatives that transform into cancer-promoting compounds in your body. The World Health Organization has classified them as carcinogenic. Simple swap. Choose fresh, lean meats or plant-based proteins instead. Number 8. Instant noodles. That quick college meal is a toxic blend of sky-high sodium, MSG, and preservatives. Regular consumption has been linked to metabolic syndrome and heart disease. Simple swap. Quick cooking whole grains with veggies take just minutes longer but deliver real nutrition. Remember, every time you choose real food over processed junk, you're investing in your future. Your health is your greatest wealth. Protect it. If this information helped you, share it with someone you care about.